Hello everyone, this is Shubham from Gossipfunda, and today I'm going to teach you or rather elaborate about the topic how to use Facebook bold text while posting any kind of post or text. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first and easy step, go to Facebook, open it and go to my post and let's write something. I'll write subscribe to Gossipfunda. Okay, now as you can see the text has been written and it's a normal format just like we used to write in our Facebook post or any WhatsApp post. To make it bold, it is a very simple step. Just go back to the home screen and search for that. Go to Google, sorry. Go to Google and search for Lingo Jam. As you can see, fancy text generator Lingo Jam. Let's open it. And here the first step is in the normal text goes here. We have to write subscribe to Gossip Funda. After writing that, as you can see, you can also design your own font as written in the bottom, and there are several other fonts you can try from. Just the simple step is that you have to go down and select, like I would select that bold one, just select the whole sentence like subscribe to Gossip Funda, and then I'll copy it. So as you can see, it is copied in my clipboard, and I will go to that and raise this one, and I'll paste the clipboard copied. As you can see, now it is in bold font. Now let me post it and show you. As you can see, it's written in the Gossip Funda. Now, if still do you think that it's not in bold, let me show you. It is in bold. I will go to edit post and then I will show you 1 second. Yeah. Now in edit post, I will show you the normal text which could be written. Subscribe to Gossip Funda. As you can see, the difference between okay, yeah, it's saved. As you can see the difference between the bold text and normal text. So it is a very cool trick if you want to like post something some related to review and to bold some specific word, you can go for Lingo Jam. Also there is another alternative, you can search in Google the yetext.com, that one, yes, one, that one. And yes, this one is the only available. So in yetext it is just like Lingo Jam, but the interface and UI is completely different. So as you can see, there are a ton of funds from cuts and creases to everyone. Now we have to write again. Sorry for the subscribe to Gossip Funda. Now as you can see, you can preview, copy or text the screen, and there are tons of writings, more than even Lingo Jam, I think. So as you can see, there is the bold one. You can copy it and paste it on the other side. And yes, it is a very cool trick, and one should definitely give a try to it if you are posting something important related to your work or something. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this tutorial helped you a lot. Do like, comment, share it to your friends, and do subscribe to Gossip Funda for these further technical updates. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section, and I've added link in the description area for the other videos too. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, goodbye, and yes, do subscribe to Gossip Funda.